Hello, how you doing? So on the menu today, we're going to make this beautiful dal, yellow dal, with some vegetables in it. It's nice and spicy. It's delicious. It's vegetarian. It's healthy. It's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at this dal first. So on the left-hand side in the big bowl, I've got 4 cups of cooked yellow tur dal. You can see it. Here's a little example of it dried. So what I've done with that is first of all wash it through a couple of times, get any little bits of stones out or grit. Then I soaked it for like 1 hour. Then I boiled it for about 20 minutes. So that's what you're going to end up with. But yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, so you've seen the dal already. There it is. Now, next to that, we've got 2 cups of potato and 2 cups of carrots, 2 cups of onion, 1 cup of cilantro coriander, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct, green cardamom pods, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, fresh chili, entirely up to you the amount you want to put in, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, they're fabulous. If you can't get them, try and get them dried. If you can't get that, nothing is like it. There's nothing else to replace it. We've got a cup of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of chili, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. So I'm going to be using coconut oil today. You could use a different oil if you want. I'm just melting that down. The heat is on above medium. Okay, so we're going to drop in the green cardamom pods and the cumin. We're going to drop in the curry leaves. We're going to drop in the onion. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes on this above medium heat. Next up, ginger garlic paste. We're also now going to add in carrots and our potatoes. And I'm going to add salt. We're going to go again on this fairly vibrant heat, this time for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving fairly often. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in the cooked dal. To that, we're going to add the spices. Let's take another look, shall we? Turmeric, chili, coriander, cumin. In it goes. Fresh chili. Again, staying on this fairly vibrant heat, about another 4 or so minutes, stirring it pretty much all the time now. Okay, we're now going to drop in 2 cups water. That's going to really help cook the potatoes and the carrots and give it some nice consistency there. About another 5 minutes, I think. So that's looking beautiful. Now the next stage is we're going to drop in the coconut milk. Make sure your potatoes and carrots are tender now before you do that. And then a big handful. Cilantro, coriander. We're going to go just for 3 more minutes. Check it for salt. This is done. It's beautiful. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely beautiful that is. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.